Today we are going to read another story. Yay! And the title of today's story is There's a Dragon in Your Book. Look at this cute dragon. Okay, so do you remember that this is the cover page of the book? This is the back page of the storybook. This is the spine of the book. So let's start. There's a dragon in your book. The writer of this book is Tom Fletcher. Say it with me. Tom Fletcher. Okay, so can you tell me the beginning sound of the word dragon? Yes, d, d, dragon. D, d, dragon. There is a dragon in your book. So let's start. Oh, look at this egg. Oh, look! There is an egg in your book. It's ready to hatch. Whatever you do, don't turn the page. Should we still turn the page? Yes, let's turn the page. Look! I can't believe you did that. The egg has hatched, and now there's a dragon in your book. Don't be scared. It's just a baby dragon. Why don't you tickle her nose? Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle your nose. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Achoo! Oh, the baby dragon sneezed. Achoo! Oops! The dragon accidentally sneezed a fire in your book. We need to put it out quickly. Help dragon blow out the flame. Oh, what will happen if the dragon is going to blow the flame out? Let's turn the page. Oh no, your dragon didn't blow the fire out. She blew more fire. There's even more fire. Carefully cover the flames by turning the page. That should put them out. Let's put out the fire by carefully turning the page. Oh no! That's not good. The fire is getting bigger and bigger. Don't get too close. If only we could think of a way to put out this fire. Can you think of a way to put this fire out? What can you use to put this fire out? Think, think, think. Think, can you put some juice on it? Or maybe we can put a blanket on it. Let's see what did the dragon do to put the fire out. What? That's it. Let's use your imagination to put the fire out. So now you are going to imagine a great big water balloon right in the middle of the next page. Make sure it's full and ready to pop. A big water balloon. Do you think water can put the fire out? Let's see. Oh, look at this giant water balloon. Perfect. Now use your finger to pop the balloon and get ready for the pop. Let's get ready for the splash. Oh, the baby dragon is just slipping in the water. Hooray! We put the fire out with the water balloon. Give the dragon a high five. High five, high five, high five. You have a great imagination, and dragon must be little hungry now. Why don't you use your imagination again and think up a yummy treat for the dragon? How about a big cone? What all can you fill in the cone? Can you imagine? Yes, let's see what this dragon got. A big cone filled with triple, triple is one, two, and three. Triple scoop of scrummy, yummy, ice cold chocolate strawberry flavored. What it can be, chocolate and strawberry flavor on a cone. What do you think? Oh, really? Oh, ice cream! You were absolutely correct. With sprinkles on it. Wow, that looks delicious. Yum, 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 yum. The baby dragon finished all the ice cream. Well, dragon must be tired, and after all that adventure, I think it's time for her to fly home. Do you want to go home now? Yes, it wants to go home. She looks very full. Oh my, she had a lot of ice cream. She's going to need some help taking off because she is feeling herself to be very heavy. So flap the book up and down like giant dragon wings. So we are going to imagine our book as a dragon, and these are the wings. Fly, fly. And we are going to help the dragon fly. Keep on flapping, help the dragon fly. And what happens next? Let's see. Was she able to reach home? There she goes. Goodbye, dragon. Goodbye. Wave goodbye. And turn. And hang on a second. What's this? Let's turn. Let's see. What is that? Come on. Oh, look. More eggs. More eggs. Whatever you do, don't turn the page, but we are going to turn the page, right? So many purple eggs. Oh, I think it's time to close the book. Carefully, because there are so many baby dragons. And what is going to happen now? More fire! And then we have to get more big, huge water balloons. Oh my God. So now I'm going to close the book to keep all of us safe from the fire. Did you like the story? I think it was really fun. I will see you next time. Bye.